Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do my unboxing of the Pixel 6. I was really hoping for the Pixel 6 Pro, but they're having some issues apparently. But still, tensor chip, better camera. Super excited to see the next generation of Pixel. I have the Pixel 4a 5G just for comparison and size, because I got used to my Pixel 5 in terms of, the smaller size screen that it is. So let's take a look at what we have for the Pixel 6. Now, interesting thing to note, obviously, was the fact that the box is really smaller compared to the other boxes in the past. That's because they don't ship you a, they don't ship you a charging block anymore, right? No charging block, there's no headphone adapter, you just get the phone. Which is fine. I mean, I have a million chargers around here, I get it. And it does keep the price a little bit lower for most people. But let's see what we got. So we'll have to pick up a case for it. So they didn't send the case this year for it. But here we go. We got an adapter in the box. USB-C to USB-A. If you want to do transfers, etc. or plug into the wall. Oops. But otherwise, it's USB-C to C, the cable it comes with, which is nice. You can always use more of those. And then you just got a manual in there. But the most exciting thing is the phone itself. I gotta say, already feeling really quality build. Definitely has a heft to it that says quality, feels a little more to it, a little more substantial. My son calls it a Kaiser beam or Frozone sort of laser beam kind of look to it. Band kind of is pronounced. A little more so than I was expecting it to be. Like, it's definitely more than, like, say, the Huawei's of back days. Okay, let's take a look. The fun reveal. Oh, that feels awesome. Okay, now, size comparison to the Pixel 4a 5G, which is about the same size as the Pixel 4 XL I had. And you can see it's already just that little much bigger already. Just a little bit bigger without the case on it. Now going to the 5, definitely bigger. So 6.4 inch, even though it's like the 6.7 of the top end number Pro version, this will be still a decent thing. And look at that. I'm still a big fan of the punch out than I am of the other things, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. Okay, so I'll be getting used to play with that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a holler anytime. Okay, thanks.